Hello guys, so we are back again, and in this session we are going to continue with the type 7, and this is probably going to be the last session on type 7, and after that we are going to move on the type 8. But hope you have subscribed our channel Omega Pi Engineering Mathematics, and forget now let's continue what we have started. So we have completed 5 questions in the previous 2 sessions on type 7. Now we are going to take the 6th question. The question is as follow: d square plus 2d plus 1 into y into e to the power minus x log x. So here you can see a combined function. Okay, a combined function. Now this question is actually not this type question. Okay, but they can give you this type question in between to test that whether your concept of previous things are clear or not. Okay, so don't get here you can see there is no something like composition here, and there is nothing like d square plus x square like thing. So don't get into illusion that this is from type 7. This is not from type 7. This is from type 6, type 5, which was e to the power x into v. Now the auxiliary equation is nothing but m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. If you try to solve them, you will get m plus 1 the whole square, giving you m plus 1 equals to 0 and m plus 1 equal to 0. So you have similar roots of minus 1 comma minus 1. Now complementary function will be what? c1 plus c2 x e to the power minus x, right? And particular integral will be what? 1 by f of d square plus 2d plus 1 into e to the power minus x log x, if I am right. What you are going to do? You are going to move the e to the power x on that side, what we used to do in e to the power ax into v type. So e to the power minus x into 1 by d minus 1 the whole square plus 2 into d minus 1 plus 1 into e to the into log x. Okay, after this e to the power minus x will be as it is, d square minus 2d plus 1 plus 2d minus 2 plus 1. So here log x. What we are going to see here is this, that this and this is cancelling out, this and this is cancelling out with minus. So we are left with e to the power minus x 1 by d square log x. Now we need to integrate the log x, and you know integration of log x is done by integral u dot v, and I told you to learn that thing. So e to the power minus x, here you will write it as 1 by d into 1 by d. So if you integrate it once, you will get x log x minus x into dx. If you integrate it again, then what you are going to get? Sorry, minus x. If you integrate this again, you are going to get something like here. What will happen? The log x into x will apply e to the power x like thing, while this thing will apply separate integral. Here product rule will be applied, here no product rule will be applied. So here if we solve this, what we are getting? We are getting x will be as it is. Log x will be as it is. As for the uv, integration of x will be done, which will be x square by 2 minus here integration differentiation of this into integration of x square by 2 into the whole integration, right, into dx, minus integration of this, which will be x square by 2. So if we solve this further, this will get cancelled out, e to the power minus x log x square by 2 minus integration of this will be again x square by 2 is there. So if we integrate it further, 2 into 2 it will become 4 minus x square by 2. So we are going to get something like minus 3 by 4. If we simplify this, we are going to get e to the power minus x bracket log x square by 2 minus 3x power x square by 4. So we are getting this thing. Now let's, so this is our what? This is our particular integral. Now we can get our general solution as nothing but combination of complementary function plus particular integral, which is nothing but c1 plus c2 x e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus x bracket log x square by 2 minus 3x square by 4. So this is our answer. Now let's move on to the next question. So the seventh question which we are going to take on this type is this, and this type of question are basically to test your skills. Okay, this type of question is involvement of all the things. This is not particularly, you can say this is not from type 7. They are just given to test whether you say that it is from type 7 or not. It is not from type 7. Okay, I am mentioning it. It is not from type 7. These questions are given in type 7. Type 7 to test your skills. Like here auxiliary equation, you can say there is no combined. Okay, there is nothing combination like here. Okay, and this is simple. So auxiliary equation is nothing but m square minus m minus 2 equal to 0, which will give you m equals to 2 and m equals to minus 1. If you simplify, you will get complementary function c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power minus x. Particular integral will be 1 by d square minus d minus 2 into 2 log x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. And now remember, whenever they will give you something like function, always be careful, because if they give you something like this, okay, identify whether it can be created into the format of f of x plus f dash x. So if you observe, if we write 1 by x as minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by x, then this thing is nothing but if we take these two, and this will be the differentiation of this. Okay, you will understand what I am telling. Let me write here. So this can be expressed as d minus 2 into d plus 1. Agreed? And here this 2 log x minus 1 by x plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square bracket close. So here what we are getting is, if you differentiate this, this will be 2 by x, and if you differentiate this, it will be 1 by x square. So we are getting, if you differentiate these two, we are getting this. So this is f of x and this is f dash x. So we are going to take this one because we know the formula for which there is one integration formula, which is, you know, e to the power x into f of x plus f dash x into dx is nothing but e to the power, this gives you what, e to the power x into f of x. You know this formula, e to the power x into f of x. So we are going to create this. So what we are going to, we have to take 1 because here 1 is there. We are not going to take d minus 2. E to the power minus x will be there into e to the power x and 2 log x minus 1 by x plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square into dx. So its answer will be d minus 2 into e to the power minus x into e to the power x into 2 log x minus 1 by x, which is f of x. This will get cancelled out. 1 minus d minus 2 into 2 log x minus 1 by 2, 1 by x. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this with each of them and try to get the separate integral. Or we can apply the direct formula, which will be a bit more easier. So any of this method will be working, but let's go with this method. If we do this, what we are going to get, e to the power 2x into e to the power minus 2x into, this is our q of x, 2 log x minus 1 by x into dx. Now if we multiply this, e to the power 2x will be as it is. If I multiply this, e to the power minus 2x into 2 log x into dx minus e to the power minus 2x integral 1 by x dx. So if we integrate them, what we are going to get, here product rule will be applied and here also product rule will be applied. Now let's solve them and try to get our answer. So here I am solving it from here, e to the power 2x, okay, bracket. So here we have 2, we are taking outside, we have log x, integration of this will be e to the power minus 2x by minus 2, minus integration of this will be 1 by x, sorry, differentiation of this will be 1 by x into e to the power minus 2x by minus 2, the whole into dx, its whole integral, minus, if you observe, this whole thing is written here again. Here minus 2 is there, so we can take this whole thing common from this. Minus 2 I can take common from all of this, and then I am going to, if you observe here, e to the power minus 2x 1 by x into dx is present this. So observe this, e to the power minus x 2x, sorry, this 2 will get cancelled out, log x into e to the power minus 2x, here minus will be there, plus it will be integral e to the power minus 2x by x into dx, which is nothing but here also e to the power minus 2x x into dx. So these two will get cancelled out, and we are going to get our final answer e to the power 2x with minus sign outside, log x e to the power minus 2x, which will become, this is plus, this is minus, so it will get cancelled out, minus log x is our final answer as our particular integral. So general solution is a combination of complementary function plus particular integral, which will give us c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power minus x, and minus log x is our particular integral. So this is our answer. So the last two questions were just to check your aptitude skill. Here combination of many things are used, not particularly what we have studied in type 7, but rest of the things have also been used. Now in the next session, what we are going to do, we are going to just see the different method to solve type 7 which we have just discussed. We are going to see variable parameter method, and then we are going to move on to next thing, okay, Cauchy and legendary differential equation, which will be the last topic of this chapter. So see you in the next session with new topic. Bye.